I'm Coach Carrie. I help people clarify their ideal careers and nail their job interviews. In my signature program, Career Cape, I teach a process I coined as job shopping, which is all about finding the company you'd want to work at as opposed to passively applying for jobs online. Now, something interesting happens when my clients actually receive the job offer they've been waiting so long for. They always say the same thing. Oh crap, now what? Here is some inside intel that will help you negotiate a great offer. First, know that companies expect candidates are going to negotiate as part of the process. Just like buying a car or a house, the first price you see is not usually the final price unless they say words like, "This is our first and final offer," or "all candidates start at the exact same salary without room to negotiate." Unless you hear something like that, there's money on the table. And typically it's up to 20% more than the starting number. So to make math easy, let's say you were initially offered $100,000 and you could get 20% more, or $120,000. Try going back with a statement like this: "I'm so flattered to have been made an offer, and I'm truly excited about the potential of joining the team. It would be an easy yes for me to come on board with an annual salary of $120,000. How possible would that be?" Then stop talking. Let them speak next to take the negotiation forward from there. Now, overall, there's much more than just the base salary. You have to consider total compensation. In my early days of recruiting for a software engineering company, I'd see staff engineers leave for $5,000 or $10,000 more for an increase in salary, but not consider that their existing company that I was at was paying their full medical and dental premiums valued at nearly $300 a month. Additionally, they were getting stock grants, company bonuses, and other perks. When added together, those items were valued far more than the $10,000 salary increase that they took at the new company that then they had to go pay for medical benefits at. It's so important to compare apples to apples when considering an offer. You have to look at the total compensation picture. This brings me to the next point. Think about what you truly want ahead of receiving an offer. Now, if you've been following my work, I preach the job shopping technique, where you decide the type of company that you'd be delighted to work at. Now, if you're receiving an offer from a company where that's not the case, I recommend you not take a position just because you could do it and it pays. That's because 30% of new hires leave within the first 90 days because of fit issues. So let's assume that it is a fit and your values aligned with the organization, you love the people, and the position duties themselves would absolutely delight you. Know your true low. That's right. Think about the least amount of money you'd be willing to take to do a job that you love and still pay your bills, of course. I've seen candidates shoot themselves in the foot setting an arbitrary dollar amount by saying things like, "Well, I'm at $150,000 now, so my next job I feel like I should be at least $185,000. Says who? If it's a job you love, there's more to life than money. Part of your offer negotiation can include things like professional development, hiring an executive coach, or more time off to be on vacation, having life experiences. The bottom line is to know what the market says is fair to be paid for your position, and then you can base your personal low off of that. It's okay to take less cash up front if it means you're going to be happy in your role, because chances are, if you love the work, you'll perform well and you'll probably receive a raise at a future date. For more tips and resources, check below.